Hello folks, I want to do a tiny little update on a tool I bought. I picked up this a while back, this DEWALT DCS 438, the little zoom, and using it in the wild, it actually is a pretty damn good tool. This little thing was, considering it had a 3 amp hour battery, it's minus whatever, I'm pretty sure this battery's almost dead now because it's cold out. And my lock froze, so I need a new one. So what did I do? I basically soldered off with this. Master lock, you need a better, blocks, because if you're a criminal, I'd buy one of these. I cut a master lock off in less than, I don't know, maybe less than a minute. Cut right through it, worked great. And it wasn't very loud either. Not bad. I'm quite highly impressed. Plus it's light and seems pretty okay. The only thing I would probably recommend that this thing absolutely needs, say they're kind of chipped off part of the cheap blade. The only thing I can think of that this thing would be good is to have a blade cover. So when you're not using it, so you throw in your tool bag, otherwise these blades will just get snapped right off. Or they'll get hit and then all of a sudden you'll blow an eye out when you've destroyed the blade. But that would be, maybe just a little cover put on it. So if you're traveling, because otherwise, every time you travel, you take the blade out, which is probably even a good idea too. It's got the light, which shines kind of upward, which I don't know if I'm totally sold about this little light thing. I could see my finger in there. The forward and reverse part, I don't know. Not sure about that either. Half the time I can't figure which direction it's going. But yeah. It's a pretty damn good tool. Bigger the battery, the bigger the longer it lasts. It's lightweight. You just got to make sure when you're using it, you just put it down like so and not just drop it because the blade breaks. Most, as far as I know, angle grinders, regular ones that are not side thing, you can put them down like this on the little bolt part. You can flip them over. This one's kind of hard because anyway, works good though. So yeah, if you buy a DEWALT DCS 438 cutoff tool, type 1, whatever the hell, 3/8 or 7/16 arbor. It's pretty damn good. I'm impressed. I don't have a lot of uses for it, but it's a grinder. Why wouldn't you want more, right? And with that, don't forget to click buttons down here, click buttons up there, watch some more videos. Thanks for watching. Toodles.